Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Bynta ka Rakhe ka lungkho dap Snem ka Rashtriya Bal Swastha Karyakram program hapo ka jala ka District Early Intervention Center West Jingdap Hills District ka bahap hapo ka Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram National Health Mission jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya haka khatsan tarik jemang kala Pynlong ka workshop basisngi halor ka phang nutrition and growth ka jingthmu jong ka workshop ka longru ban penklan ya ka rukam penshai patba halor ka Rbsk baru ban kentiu ka jingade happening kitana trikam sarkar nadu ka District School Education Office Mid-day Meal Social Welfare ICDS but District Resource Center on Disability Affairs Civil Hospital Yalong West Jingdap Hills District yakani ka workshop la Pynlong hatempang club complex Yamusiang Jawai hakajindan lang Deputy Commissioner ka West Jingdap Hills District uba BS Solia ka Deputy Director Health Service State Nodal Officer Rbsk NHM Meghalaya ka Dr. Aigat Pho nalor ki Dr. ki Officer Sarkar bat kiwei hakajingalang la Pynlong ka Dr. Handaka Suting DEIC Manager West Jingdap Hills District ka Dr. Aigat Pho hakajingkran kalethu baka Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram kadai ka wei naki program hapo ka National Health Mission jong ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare jong ka Sarkar pedeng halor ka thong ban jurip banya lane screening yaki jat jingpang hakikna nadu dangkha hadu khat prasnam karta habakran hakijingalang UDC uba BS Solia IAS ulayaro yakatanat ka kot kakya bade baro ki badan Bynta halor ka jingjob jong ka jingyai lenti ka bashipho Snem ka Rbsk hapo ka jela kumju ka district yaki jingbatai babanya halor ka rukam trikam bat kilat jingyarap bagi patba kilat banyo lingbakan ka scheme labatai da ki riusham phang napo ka Meghalaya Health System Strengthening Projects but State Rbsk Bynta jong ka ni ka Rakhe la Pynlong ru yaki jat jingakop na ka Bynta ki khana jong ka Minthong LP School kan thup nodu ka jingbo itanat yaki jhur ka jingdrodur ka jingthong tanrai ding bat ka jinghikai halor ka tiffin box bat balance meal balabatai da ka kong habari warjri
The program Rbsk ini ke Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram hauni arja also the Dr. Snem hey jinglai yongka takkan kita why we diagram why we celebrate and observe yang ini milestone kenapa yo ikna chapi chapang kaji yang ini existence yang ini program ini boy yang pergi yang di khususnya untuk tips yongka yang kenal ini kita bagi program ini lihat tu tak kejap buat betul activities yang ini program ini. Jadi program ini kita doktor yang child health screening dan ini cakapnya apa? Dan bagi health check up kita lihat di mobile health team kita. Tapi ini kita check up mungkin ya di age group kita bukan at birth hadu khasnya kita. Screening ini koi ya kita kecil mesti kita di 40s kita tahu defects at birth, diseases, deficiencies, disabilities. ये कितनी गाँव में हम ये चीज़ बताई बड़ा पसंद करते हैं। तो थोड़ी ये कितनी कुछ नाम में ये चैनल और एम जी चिकन की खाली एंगेज पार्ट यों की देखिए कि कितनी बर्थ इफेक्ट्स की स्क्रीनिंग इन्हीं को लड़कियाँ वो एम की खाली का हिस्सा में खा जेल से टीम की यानी kita ikut tim di ketik ikan ki orang kelas dan ini kelas kali tu ibu em kita ni ibu mereka em ada belum kita ni spine ki ketik ikan ki neurological defects dan ini em kita ni ibu mereka ujian di berdua kita ini ikut kejap ini kejap ketik ki kami di club foot em kejap kita myu ini kita kita tahu kan ki typical congenital heart disease. Itu juga hokian senang. Kamu cuba nak screen roh yang kemat, yang kami lebih imaging senang yang kemat, typical visual impairment. Dan ini imaging senang yang cukup, typical hearing impairment. Tapi kalau kenai ini kor, waktu program ini ikut kedua screening ini. Henry, mana cami yang kita ya nak roh, hey, aging semua kamu surgery. Surgery ni Bynta hiwakka iktian ki surgery ni Bynta ki dori ko jat ki kam surgery ni Bynta ki jat ko snan ki heart surgery तो Nanti di Beijing semua, hei orang biar, dia pun hei insan kiki kali, hei med heart, dan ini dong ini pura, growing to their full potential. Yo ki, la school yo ki pura, yo ki compete, yo ki biwan ki kena.
Satisfaction of having, accomplished a day's work with we've thrown in all our hearts and souls, abilities, and most times we have sacrificed our own personal, commitments for the betterment of the program. We should carry on with that. And I noticed, and I know that also in our present here we have a district social welfare officer, we have a district school education officer, two other departments collaborating effectively with the health department and other departments too will be, and I'm also very pleased and I'm very happy to have our guests they've come all the way from Garo Hills to be with us, so it's more or less like kind of a state program, and I would like to say that let this be a learning experience. Let us learn from each other. We will be learning from the other districts that are here, also from Garo Hills, from the West Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills, they're all here. So we'll be learning, exchanging ideas, exchanging notes on how to tackle certain glitches, certain problems. That's the whole idea. Otherwise, we know what we have to do. But sometimes we are stuck at a particular point where we feel like sort of helpless and we don't know how to progress further. But we live at an age now where to reach out to our colleagues and to reach out to our contemporaries and to reach out to our, nodal officers is not hard at all anymore. We all have WhatsApp. There are dedicated groups, I know, dedicated groups. So this exchange of ideas and exchange of information is free and fast flowing. We have to tap on those and, like I said, collaborate in such a way. It can be formally, it can be informally, so that the progress, if not just West Jai Hills, but the state as a whole, should climb up the ladder and be one of the states that is leading by example. And the main example here is cooperation, collaboration, and we have to leave egos aside. If I feel that I'm not quite sure what I'm doing, but my ego is standing in front of me and not allowing me to reach out to other colleagues. It can be junior to me, and I feel like, since I feel that I know everything, so I cannot talk to anyone else. We should leave that aside. We should not think of that way. We should be in the same boat and learn and accept each other's ideas, thoughts. In that way, we can progress and we can go from step, from each step to another step where we can accomplish our